Good morning, student. We have studied human eye. Okay, so human eye is a very wonderful gift by God to us. Because of that, we can see, we can get protected from the several hurdles, accidents around us. So it's a very important, very uh, gift, very much important gift to us. Okay, so some people are blind around us. So many people are blind. How much people are blind around us? As an estimate, maybe less or more, it is around 35 million people are blind. Okay, so how they can live? How can they can survive? They cannot work normally. They cannot watch your mobile phone, cannot access to internet, and uh, nothing can do more in the daily life. है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं कर पाएंगे, बेचारे बहुत सफ़र हो रहे हैं। इन लोगों को हम बहुत ही अच्छे तरह से हेल्प कर सकते हैं। हाउ वी कैन हेल्प आफ्टर आवर डेथ? व्हाट सोसाइटी डू? दे burn our dead body. Okay, so there is a whole organization, our body will get burned, no use to society. So we must give something to the society. So what is that thing we can give? We can donate our eye to our society. हमारे आँख जो है हम लोगों को डोनेट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? वी हैव टू साइन एग्रीमेंट विद दैट हॉस्पिटल टू यू हैव टू declare will your will to donate the eye, and then whenever death will occur, the medical team will come and will remove the eye from the dead body, and the dead body will be not looking ugly. They will fit the vacant place of that eye with a glass ball, so that uh, you can dead body will be looking as it is. So you can donate the eye. It is very essential. It is very good thing that your eye will be passed to the next person, and they can see the this wonderful colorful world again. है So all of us must donate the eye. Okay. So 4.5 million people are suffering by corneal blindness. The very first part of the eye, that is cornea, which may become hazy, which may not transmit light towards the retina. So this problem is there. About 4.5 million people are suffering from this problem. Okay, now all they can be clear, all they can be cured by what? Transplantation of that cornea, or transplantation of cornea or other part of the eye. Okay, and they can also get the vision again, है ना? So that's why all of us we should donate the eye. Now who can donate the eye? All people can donate the eye. Who has a spectacle can donate the eye. Who has undergone the cataract surgery can also donate the eye. Who has diabetes can also donate the eye. Means near about all the peoples can donate the eye. The condition is that person must not suffer from communicable disease. इसमें कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज उस व्यक्ति को नहीं होना चाहिए। कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज हो तो क्या होगा बोलो? दैट दिस विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू द transplanted person, and the person will die because of that disease. So any surgery will be made only when the person will be better than the present condition. प्रेजेंट कंडीशन से अगर वो बेटर हो सकता है तो ही सर्जरी डॉक्टर करते हैं। मतलब सर्जरी करने का तो बेनिफिट होना चाहिए, नुकसान नहीं होना चाहिए। नुकसान होता है तो कोई डॉक्टर आपका सर्जरी सजेस्ट नहीं करेगा। सर्जरी कब सजेस्ट करना है बोलो? व्हेन एडिशनल एडवांटेज इज देयर। दैट्स व्हाई द पर्सन विथ कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज कैनॉट डोनेट द आई. So eye must be removed after the death of that person. Eye must be removed by 4 to 6 hours after the death, and this eye removal will take just 15 minutes. And who will remove this eye? The eye will be removed by the team coming from the general hospital. They will operate and remove the eye, and it will take only just 10 to 15 minutes. And the eye, after remove the eye, the face will not become ugly. It will be restored to the normal again by keeping glass ball in the place of eye. Okay, so who can't donate the eye? Who can't donate the eye? The person who died because of AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Science is advanced too much, but still now we are not getting the solution for AIDS. AIDS के लिए हमारे पास कोई दवाई नहीं है. Just like Corona, COVID-19, we are not having medicine. Likewise, AIDS is also not having medicine. So, the person who is suffering from AIDS, person who is suffering from COVID-19 or hepatitis B and C, these are the diseases of liver. Okay, these are also viral diseases, है ना? These are having vaccination. So we are vaccinated, then this disease will not occur. But if the person is died with hepatitis B and C, the person can't donate eye. The rabid person also cannot donate the eye. This is also virus which causes rabies. Then acute leukemia, blood cancer. Then tetanus caused by bacteria, है ना? Whenever you have some injury